Welcome everyone to Carol's Art Room. Today I'm going to do a couple of looms on tiles, and I'm going to try to use some turquoise cell activator. I haven't tried it for a long time, so I used some Amsterdam turquoise mixed up with my Australian Floetrol. It's opaque. I'm going to try it. I might try it with white underneath. All right. And I might I'll try the first one. I'll try just with the white, just with the turquoise. And I'll do another one with maybe white under it. So there's my Glidden Premium. Just a bit too much, I think. All right, so I got some pretty colors like turquoise and some magenta. I have teal, golden teal. I'm gonna put down first. Just want to make sure it's not too, excuse me, thick. Well, that's just my heater that just came on. I'm in the basement and I'm trying to warm it up a little bit because I want to do some resining, and it can't be cold when you do that. All right. So there's the teal. This one is phthalo turquoise. So I've mixed phthalo green and phthalo blue together and made phthalo turquoise. Love this color. Doesn't matter what brand, just mix the two together. I think one of mine was Winsor & Newton, and the other one was Artist Loft, I think. I'm not sure. Okay, so this one is Quinacridone Magenta by Liquitex Basics, and some baby pink mixed, DecoArt baby pink mixed in. Just thought I'd try a couple of different colors with turquoise. And this one is this little piggy Athenia. It's like a goldy pink color. Need a smaller spoon. So it's a pigment. Feels a bit thick, so I'll do the next one and change the order a little bit, maybe. Okay, so now I have my gold. This is Artist Loft Champagne Gold. And some 24 karat gold mixed in with it. Just a little bit. And then this one is some Permanent Mater Lake, it's called. And some Arteza red. Just like a dark red I've made. To thin my paints down, I use a mixture of varnish and water. This one seems a bit thick. I think I have too much paint on here, but we'll see how it goes. I won't put a lot of red. Now let's hope this turquoise works good. Use my mini blower. Woo, does work. It's very pretty. Too much paint, too much paint. I'm gonna do my next one. I'll use less paint because now most of it's gonna come off. I think I'd be used to how much paint to put on by now. I'll turn that. Nice.